Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making the ingredients: shadow bene, garlic, golden apple, green papaya, sorrel, a pinch of salt and honey. So here you have all the ingredients washed and cut up. I eyeballed, so I can't give you exact amounts for that. But here I'm passing through the grinding option on my juicer. Now you can use this chutney to add with your food. So when you're having your lunch or whatever, you can add some of this to your food to add some flavor. Okay, so there you can see everything is being ground up nicely there. After everything is completed, you add a pinch of salt or salt to taste. I added 2 tablespoons of honey because you want a little sweetness to your chutney. And that's it. Your chutney is now ready to be refrigerated, and the rest you can put in the freezer so that you can use at a later date and enjoy with your food. Keep a little in a small jar in the fridge and freeze the rest until ready for use.